got the rhythm and it's pounding body soul to the floor. Once more, driving all them suckers headed for the dough. Damn show, coming at you like a Magnum 44. The score, it's a shutout, I'ma make you my horse. So bring it, I'm ready, I'm steady, and already you're tripping and flipping out, chewing on confetti. So break yourself before you wreck yourself. You see, when it comes to hip-hop, it's all about these. I got it going on, so now I'm moving on and on, till the break of dawn. I've had it up to here, with all of your shit. I've been there before and it's never worth it. So now I'm breaking out, to find something new. Few have been able to do what I do. A fresh start, yeah, and a brand new beginning. Let's get the beat going, a new record spinning. Under the pressure I deliver, what I got is live. Deny the rest and test the faith you got inside. I bring you elevated answers, an escalating lancer, and more finesse than a troupe of ballet dancers. I came to rock the show, here I go with the flow. Oh no, I don't flip cheap like Apollo, oh no. Nevertheless, you doubt the best, entwined, obsessed. From the west, I leave you fully addressed. In nature, picture, logical, philosophical, and poetic. Serving the graphics, follow my style, telekinetic, my genetics. Verbally motivated, originated from the lyrical mind, and confined to the tyrannical kind. Collaborated, bringing the concept full emancipated, coming up with your minds captivated. Introduced, induced, seduced into your main terrain. Simple principle, the intercontinental.
Det finns inget takeover som lyckas. Kom ihåg att det är jag som känner en bot som ingen annan slår. Och hon kan kicka utan att hon får. Hon gör sig av med alla som spammar. Ja, ingen kan slå våran bot.
Ready for take off.